Hello friends and viewers. It's been quite a few videos we have uploaded on our YouTube channel till now, and we are getting very good encouragement. The subscriber base has increased, so we are very much encouraged by that. So we thought we'll have to share more and more information based on our experience and also the questions we get from the patients and clients and also viewers. One of the commonest questions asked is, are there any side effects of acupuncture? I would say yes and no. Yes, because if you are not taking necessary precautions and not going to the right practitioner who is qualified and registered. No, if necessary precautions are taken and going to the right practitioner who is qualified and also registered and with good experience as well. So the commonest one in those side effects is, will acupuncture cause any infection? I would say no, if necessary precautions are taken. Especially in patients who are diabetic, who are undergoing cancer treatment, who are suffering from autoimmune diseases, or maybe rheumatoid arthritis or any other autoimmune conditions. Will acupuncture cause any infection in those conditions? No, nothing to worry at all. Why that happens? Let me explain it this way. When in diabetics or any other immunocompromised conditions, if necessary, injections are given for medication, for treatment, and also if whenever needed, blood is drawn for necessary investigation purposes. What do they do there? We sterilize the area where the prick is supposed to be done with the alcohol swab. The same manner, even on acupuncture, we take those necessary precautions by disinfecting the area where the acupuncture needle is inserted with the alcohol swab. So nothing to worry at all. Even in diabetics, injections like insulin needs to be injected. So what do? We use pre-sterilized disposable needles. So nothing to worry about that at all. So same manner, even in acupuncture also, when we use sterilized and disposable needles and with necessary precautions, we don't have to worry about infection. Till date, in the last 2.5 decades of my practice, I have not seen a single case of infection due to acupuncture when the necessary precautions are taken. Let me show a small demo about that. I'll do the acupuncture on myself to show this demo. Just have a look at it. We use the alcohol swab just like this. So this is a alcohol swab. We identify the point and clean that point with the swab. Not just the point, even the surrounding regions are taken all care to clean it up so that that is sterile and nothing to worry about it. So next, the needle. See how the needles are packed, pre-sterilized, and it is packed. It is unopened, just like any other sterile injection needles which are used for other treatments. And then we open the needle just like this. And the needle is inserted in a tube. Probably I'm not sure how clearly you may view it, but this is, we have tried our best to make sure that you have a good view of this. The needle is inside the tube, and now I identify the point. Once identifying the point, I am putting the tube of the needle and then release the needle from the tube and insert it. That is how it is. I didn't feel the needle prick at all. There is no pain, nothing to worry. It is sterilized. I am not touching the needle at all. It's only the shaft. So, which is disposed of and it is not getting into your body. So, there is no chances of infection. and we allow the needle to be like that for a particular period of time based on the condition and requirement. And while removing the needle as well, we reuse the swab, take out the needle, clean that area, and the needle is disposed. See, there is no bleeding. That is another side effect, and many people will ask, will there be bleeding when I use acupuncture or acupuncture treatment? Absolutely no. If right point is identified and all necessary precautions are taken and a registered practitioner who is qualified medically is operating for you, absolutely no side effects to be worried about, including bleeding or infection or any of those things. There are some few other side effects some people would ask. Would the needle break when the needle is inserted in the acupuncture point? I would say no, because the kind of shaft which is used for the needle is very high quality surgical steel, which absolutely doesn't have any breakage. So you don't have to worry about that at all. And if the needle is inserted at the right point, there will be no problems at all. Only thing is, there are a lot of patients who would be little having fear of needles. When there is fear, automatically your body is in a constricted phase. So we always ask all the patients, relax yourself, don't worry about that at all. So when we insert the first needle and they realize that, oh, I didn't feel anything, that moment they are very relaxed. The moment they are really relaxed, there is no chance of any side effects happening due to needle pricking. So you don't have to worry about it. There could be some other things which can happen along with the needling. There could be numbness, itching, tingling, and sometimes even something crawling. So that means in traditional perspective, we say the energy is moving, it is responding, the body is responding. So there are no side effects. That is not considered as side effects. Rather, they are good effects, which is response of the body to the treatment. So we don't have to worry about that as well. Sometimes it is possible that those needles can leave a little bit of a scar or a mark. When the bleeding is there, we may think about that. If it is not rightly inserted, you can think about that. If it is rightly inserted, there is no bleeding, no scar, no marks. This is one of the commonest things again asked in acupuncture. So nothing to worry about that as well. So you don't worry about infection, don't worry about the prick, don't worry about the needle breakage or any other side effects. So it is quite safe and everybody can have it, including a child from 2 years to a gentleman of 90-year-old. They have all been treated. So be open, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of the side effects. There are no side effects as such, and take the treatment and allow the treatment to happen to you. Then the effect will be that much more because there is no medication in this. I hope I have answered the questions or queries about infection and the side effects of acupuncture. Do share among with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.